You're listening to Understanding Everything with OpenBee, the podcast that sheds light on tomorrow's digital challenges for small and medium-sized business leaders.
Welcome to the Duck Dive. Today we're looking at something really vital for businesses, digital document management. Our source here is OpenBee, and, well, their findings suggest there's a bit of a gap. A lot of companies maybe aren't quite where you'd expect them to be digitally.
That's exactly right. The research they did, partnered with Orange, it shows only about, a third of companies actually have electronic invoicing solutions in place.
Only a third? Wow.
Yeah. And maybe even more worrying, over half, 54%, are just using email to store and share documents.
Email for potentially sensitive stuff.
Precisely. And you've also got about 35% using general cloud services, things not really built for handling confidential business data securely.
So not just inefficient, but potentially quite risky.
Definitely. There's some serious vulnerabilities there.
Okay, so clearly a problem space. How is OpenBee proposing to tackle this? What's their new strategy?
Well, they've basically restructured their offerings. They now have 3 distinct tiers: Essential, Advanced, and Enterprise. The core idea seems to be offering a path, a scalable solution that can grow as a business grows or as its digital needs mature. And they're keeping a very close eye on that upcoming 2026 e-invoicing mandate in France.
Right, the mandate. Okay, let's break down these tiers. Essential, who is that aimed at? What are the key features?
Essential is really designed for the smaller end small businesses, micro enterprises. We're talking fewer than 50 employees. The main focus is simplicity, affordability, getting them onboarded easily. It's set up for self-installation, low cost, and importantly, it's already PDP ready for those French e-invoicing rules.
PDP ready.
Yes, ready for the Platform de Dematerialisation Partner system in France. Storage-wise, it offers up to 9 gigabytes, and it includes unlimited users, but that's just within France for this tier.
Okay, so a simple, secure starting point for very small businesses.
Makes sense. Think of it like a secure, easy-to-use digital filing cabinet, basically.
Got it. And the next step up, Advanced.
Advanced is geared towards medium-sized businesses, so think up to about 249 employees. Here you start seeing more features aimed at efficiency. Things like automating document workflows, e-signature capabilities are built in.
So moving beyond just storage into actual process improvement.
Exactly. Storage bumps up to 50 gigabytes. And you get tools for things like accounting exports, again, tailored for France. It's about saving time for businesses dealing with a higher volume of documents.
Right, like automatically routing invoices or something like that?
Precisely that kind of thing, streamlining those day-to-day tasks.
Okay. And then the top tier is Enterprise.
Yes, Enterprise. This is for the larger SMEs, mid-sized companies, organizations with, frankly, more complex requirements. The key difference here is that it's modular and fully customizable. Businesses can choose cloud or on-premise hosting. Storage is scalable. It's built for flexibility.
And I assume compliance is a big focus there.
A huge focus. And it's designed for global use, not just France. It can be adapted to very specific organizational needs and different regulatory landscapes worldwide.
Interesting. So despite the different features, are there common threads running through all 3 of these offerings?
Oh, absolutely. A few key things. First, it's a progressive approach. You can start with Essential and easily move up to Advanced or Enterprise as your needs change. Second, they all share a common foundation built around compliance, especially that 2026 French mandate, interoperability with other systems, and robust data security. That's core to all of them.
That 2026 deadline in France really seems like a major driver here.
It really is. Mandatory e-invoicing is a big shift. Yeah. So having a system that's compliant isn't just about ticking a box. It's about smoother operations, better financial control. It's a significant advantage.
So it prepares them for that specifically.
Yes. And OpenBee also stresses that the upgrade path is designed to be smooth. They talk about integrated training, smart onboarding. The goal is to make adopting it and growing with it as easy as possible.
Right. So it sounds like the overall goal for OpenBee is essentially to provide secure, compliant, and scalable digital document solutions, meeting businesses wherever they happen to be on their digital journey.
That sums it up perfectly. They're offering a clear, structured path for businesses to modernize how they handle documents, addressing those immediate security and efficiency gaps, while also looking ahead to future requirements like that e-invoicing mandate.
Okay. So for you listening, it might be worth thinking about where your own organization stands right now with managing documents digitally. Do those stats from OpenBee ring true for you? And thinking up your size, your growth plans, maybe future regulations? what level of solution really aligns with your needs, especially, considering how vital data security is becoming. Definitely something to consider. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
If you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next ones.